movie is a game where we're going to make shapes and get them to move like this. So it gives you an example. Let's click OK.
Do a car.
It will. Let's click OK.
Are there any cars in there? Is level 10 free?
Yeah, it is actually. Level 10 is do your own.
I don't get this.
So this shape here in the middle is a box. A box is, it has a corner, and it has a width, and it has a height.
Yeah.
So we tell it what corner to start in, and then we tell it how tall to be. Let's tell it to be 100. Whoops, sorry, that's how wide it is. Let's tell it to be 100 tall. What about if it was only 75 tall? That's still too tall. Can we make it less? Like, for example, 50. That's looking better.
Still too long.
Yeah, it's still too long. Let's try 60.
Too long.
Still too long, but we're getting close. Let's try 40. That could be right, but maybe the Y needs to be lower. Let's lift up. Boom. Now the width needs to be a little bit bigger.
Yay!
So now we have a black colored torso. If we change the color, we could make it.
I want it to be blue.
It could be blue in the middle. Now let's make a circle. The circle could start around 75.
Ooh.
Let's set the Y to be 75 and the X to be 50. It means right in the middle. Let's lower this a little bit to make it 70. That looks correct. We might change the color of the head to be red. I wonder if you can make the arms using the line tool. Try it.
What is the line?
Drag that block into the movie stage. Now you need to choose the start and the end and the width.
Can I just put the line there?
Can you tell it where the line should start and end?
I don't know though.
You can do trial and error. Trial and error means choose something, see what happens, and then if it's good, keep it. If not, change it. Try giving a value to this that's different than what's there already. Any value, and see what happens.
Any value.
Any value between 0 and 100. See what happens.
What is it though? I don't know where it.
You don't know how to choose a number between 0 and 100?
I don't know how to put it somewhere.
For example, your age is one number that's between 0 and 100. My age is a number between 0 and 100. Or you could just choose a number out of a hat. Try something. Don't say I don't know. Try something.
I don't know how to start it.
Okay, here, I'll help you. Give me your hand. Point your finger like this. Like this. Press the 2, and then let's press the 0. 20. 20 is a number between 100 and 0.
Yeah.
And then let's change the 40 also. Give me your hand. Let's change that to. Oh wait, let's go over here. Oh, this is hard. Ah!
My hand is up.
Okay, I'm gonna choose it.
My hand is up.
Okay, then let's come over here and choose 20 and see what's gonna happen.
2, 0.
So the line start moved over here. But actually, we need the line to start over there at the armpit. If you look in this corner up here, it tells you where we're pointing.
It looks like the head is...
You didn't listen to what I said, but if you had, you would know that now we got a clue about where we should start the line, which is written up here. It says 60 and y equals 50 and x equals 60. So can you change the x to be 60 and make the y equals 50? 60?
This computer is hot.
Yes, because it's, whoops. Wait a minute. That's not what I want.
Oh, wasn't this one?
Oh, I think it might have accidentally.
Got in the wrong window.
Yeah. How do I get that there? Oh, okay, we need to open Firefox again. Let's open a new private window so that you go to Blockly, and then Movie. There it is. Movie level 1. Okay. Since you got the basic idea, can you recreate the torso and the head?
What?
Recreate them, please. So place a rectangle and then center it where the torso should be.
Rectangle. How much is that? How much is this?
So if you use the mouse and you go over here, you can see that the rectangle should start at 40, 60. 40, 60. Oh wait. Oh, that's the center of it, sorry. So it should actually start at 50, 40 maybe? 50, 40. And then the width should be 20. And then the height should be
40?
40. And then let's change the color of it, because black. Okay, good. So, can you create the head?
Create a
Grab a circle.
Grab a circle. Circle.
And then center the circle at the...
Where is the center though?
Right now it's floating in the torso. Can you move the center so it's right there?
But
Okay,
how can I move it though?
Move your mouse. Use the mouse to point right there. And then use your eyeballs. Use your eyeballs to notice the numbers that are up here.
50, 70.
Can you remember that?
Yeah.
Then, if you can remember that, change the numbers in
Enter. Like this is.
Yeah, that's it. You got it. Now let's add a line.
Movie.
Yes.
And then line started. And then 70, 60. 70, 60. 7.
Yes.
70. 60. Something's wrong.
No, that's correct. Isn't it? Wait, let me see. Maybe it's not correct.
That's not correct for now either.
Why is 50 down here? But you have it at 60. So we actually need y equals 50 and x equals 60. 6, 5. Can you change it? 60 and 50 instead of
60.
yes.
50. 50. Nope. Nope. Yes, 50.
Good. Let's press enter. Now the line is starting at the right place but ending at the wrong place. So let's end the line at 80, 70.
80.
80, 70.
Is X 80? 80 and then 7. 70. And then how? Okay, so. Oh. 3, 4. 4. Yes. Enter. Duplicate. But where's my other one though?
The line? You need to grab another line and bring it back. Bring that.
Oh, but
Or you can duplicate. Oh, you did duplicate it. So let's change the start and
this are
so let's choose this as the start. Yes.
40,
450. Yeah.
40. What? 40 and then, yeah, 50. And then it's 27. 20. Ooh, this is right now. It's right now. It's right. It's right.
It's correct now?
Yeah, that's correct. It's correct. It's correct. But how do I make it move? I'm gonna.
Don't make it move in this level. That's a good question, though. We will in the next level.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, so is this width correct? It's slightly wrong. We need actually 5 instead of 4. Okay, so next lesson.
What about a weird sound?
To celebrate. So wait, let's read this before we
Then there was a movie drawn the person to move across the screen, press the button, and see preview.
So okay, what's gonna happen is the time goes from 0 to 100, right? Just like right now, this is my second hand, and then it goes around in a minute. So as the time starts at 0, this block is going to give you 0. As the time goes on, it's going to increase. And that's how we get the blocks to move around. Click OK. And
what does the increased beast chance mean?
let's see this example by clicking OK, and then let's go to play.
Okay.
See, the arm is supposed to move from the corner to the back. So it's gonna, the Y of the arm is gonna move only. So if you go over here to movie,
Yeah.
and then grab that little block, and then throw it into the Y.
Here?
Yes. And now if you click play, you'll see that the arm follows the trajectory that you wanted.
Okay, so movie. Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Excuse me, is it like this?
We want it in the other arm, actually, the end of the other arm. Or is it
This one?
the start of the end of the other arm? Yes. Now we need actually to go in the opposite way.
Wait, what? the opposite way?
Yeah. So in this case, what we do is we go to math, and then we subtract. Yeah, we grab that, and then throw this into the second part here. Grab this time and put it into the second field, and then in this put 100. Type 100.
1, 2, 3.
Enter. And then do subtract.
Subtract.
Yeah, 100 take away the time.
This one?
Yes.
And one with one line in the middle and 2 dots?
That's a division. Just a subtraction, please.
This one?
Yes.
This is minus.
That's right. And then grab this whole block and put it in the Y end of the arm. And now there we'll do the opposite.
Wow. How did that feel? Why is it so hard?
So the reason why it works like this, let's click cancel for a moment, is that it takes the number 100 and then it subtracts the time from it. It's kind of like saying, it's the difference between how many more seconds are there left in the minute and how many seconds have passed. So if you see this second hand here in my watch, it tells me how many seconds have passed in this minute. But if I wanted to know how many seconds are remaining, what I would do is take the number of seconds in a minute, which is 60.
60 seconds.
And then I would subtract how many have passed, and that's how I would know the time that's remaining.
Oh, I can turn full time. I can turn full time. But do nothing. Right now I'm controlling time. I'm controlling time. I'm controlling time right now. 8.
Good work. So, what do we need to do in this stage? Can you click help? Oh, we're already finished this stage. That's why. Okay, click OK. And let's go on to the next stage, number 4.
But how could I grow this person? Legs crossed. Oh.
So now we need a similar thing going into the. We need a similar thing going into the legs. So can you copy these two and just make the start.
Start what?
Be where the legs are supposed to be.
But how though?
Use your mouse. Use your mouse. Bring it over here.
Bring it over here.
And then remember this number 4020.
4020.
And let's change. Oh yeah, good idea. So this one.
4020. So this one. It's kind of getting mixed up.
So let's change this guy. Wait, put your mouse over here. Let's figure out the right leg first. 6020. So let's change this to 20.
2 0.
Yes.
2 0.
Good. Now we need the ending to be. Let's put the time in the end instead of the. Sorry, end of the X instead of the end of the Y. Can you grab this time block and move it into this end of the X instead of the end of the Y? Oh, that didn't do what I thought it would do. So wait, let's go back to the beginning.
Let's guess for the hands.
So right now the leg is going this way. That means we need this Y to change the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So we need this block in here. There we go.
Yep.
Sorry, I had it backwards. Sorry. And now, can you put this over here at 40, 20? So actually, we just need to change this to 20, okay? And then throw this into the... Wait, no, this should be the x ending.
Okay, so
Wait. What's wrong here? What am I doing wrong?
I don't know.
This y is too high. It should be 0. That's why. So let's see if it works now. What do you think? Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
This is like breakdancing guy, right? It's like a breakdancing dude.
Wow.
Okay, I kind of solved that for you. I wonder if you can, if I deleted everything, do you think you can do it by yourself?
No. No, please don't.
Okay, I'll let you try number 5 by yourself.
Okay. Let's go.
It says the mathematical formula for the arm is complicated. Here's the answer. I'll read this for you.
Y equals time minus 50 divided by 5.
Divided by 5.
Divided by 5.
This is called raising it to the power of 2.
Raise power of 2.
It means multiply it by itself once. We could also read this as squared. So it means time minus 50 divided by 5 times itself, or squared.
Yeah.
So what it's supposed to do is follow this gray path. So the arm that's currently, I think it's this arm, right? Yeah, that's it. So let's get rid of this. Wait, so let's read this again. Time minus 50. So let's go grab this, put it here. Whoa, what just happened? So throw this in here. Minus, put it at 50. And then I believe that we're supposed to do math divided by 5. And then throw this in here. And now we're supposed to square this, which means multiply it by itself. Oh no, it has power. Okay, so you can put a 2 here, and then put that in there. And then we assign this to the end of the arm. So the right arm has this weird behavior. So let's see it again. It goes down and then it goes up in this way.
Yep.
So it follows this math. Notice the funny thing about the movie level is that we don't have to connect these blocks. We could just have them all floating alone, which is kind of weird.
Look at man and shit.
Yeah, like oh, actually, the color needs to be attached for some reason.
What?
Whoa. That's interesting.
What?
Interesting. So maybe they do need to. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get the logic of what needs to be attached to what in the movie stage. Some things, I should say, some things about Lockley need to be fixed. It's not all working exactly right. And there's some typos as well. Like, for example...
A couple hands.
Yeah, so we're going to put hands on the end of his arms. How do we track the end of his arms? Because right now we have these lines, but how do we keep a circle at the end of his hands? At the end of his arms?
Wow.
What do you think?
How did you do?
How do we do it? How do we put a circle at the end of his arms?
Yeah.
We have to go to the movie and grab circles, first of all. right?
Circle, that's the most easiest part.
That's the easiest part. Now let's make them a little smaller because I think they're not as large as 6. I think 5 was correct.
5, yes.
Let's
Correct.
set the color to red for the hands. Put it down here. Ooh, wait a minute. We don't want his legs to be. Okay, there's the hand. Now I need it to be at the end of this arm. Let's do the right arm first, since we were always doing that. So how do I find the end of this arm? Well, here is the Y and here is the X. So I put the X, I just do 80, and then I do duplicate on this guy, and throw that into the Y. And that's it. Now
I duplicate that one.
Yeah, right. So now it's following this.
Yeah!
Now I'm going to duplicate this like you said, but get rid of this part because it's different for the other hand.
Yeah.
And instead, I'm going to put the formula that follows the other arm. Where can I find that arm though? It's 40-50. So I think this is it. I need to duplicate and then throw this into the Y. And put it X is 20. So now it's over there. Let's click play. It looks correct. Let's go all the way back to 0. And then see if it's going to work. The circles also follow the end of the arms. So let's do it again. So now it looks like he has red hands.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Let's make his head red also. Head red.
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary?
You know.
And then go back to blue after.
What?
There we go. That's kind of cool.
You know Bloody Mary?
Do I know Bloody Mary?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is it a she?
Yeah.
Is she super spooky?
Yeah.
Okay, then I know her.
Totally.
She's my friend.
Nope.
She's not?
Nope.
She told you she's not my friend anymore? Okay, so now
It's called Bloody Mary, not Mary.
let's read.
It's called Bloody Mary.
Let's read this part. Can you read it?
Use the if black to draw a small head for the first half of the movie, then draw a big head for the second half of the movie. Draw a big head. How can you do that? Head big.
Yeah, so the head's gonna grow after. Oh, okay, so after time equals 50, the head gets huge.
What?
So it goes like this. If and then movie time. Oh, let's get this thing and see if it's larger than. Let's see if it's larger than 50. If the time is larger than 50.
Oh, I found something that was really really same to the end. Yeah.
Sorry?
I found something that was pretty same as the end.
It was similar to the hand?
Yeah.
That, yes.
And the
So,
non-similar.
so let's grab this, put it here, and then put this, ooh, wait, this here. And now, let's duplicate this color part, put it in here, and then duplicate this color part.
You're so creepy.
I am creepy?
No,
So the radius should be larger, like maybe 50. Ooh,
what?
too big. So probably 20. And then,
More up.
yeah, more up. So like 75 maybe? Nope, 80 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now it checks to see if, boom, the head goes big. So basically what this block does is that it looks at the time and then it sees, have I passed the time is 50? And if it is past the time 50, it uses a different circle.
Yeah.
Instead of
the
small circle.
Well, that was a hard time.
Yeah. Okay. Let's pause here since our time is up, and we'll continue tomorrow.
Correct for my motors.
Oh wait. What's this?